So far in Chapter 6, we've started talking about slope. And a couple different things have come up. We've talked about slope of a line being rise over run. Now, that's when we're working with a graph. And you have to have important things that you need to know is that you need to use known points. Sometimes these values are not exact if you pick just any value on the line. So you need to pick where the dots are. Always pick those. The other thing is, if you're given a value for a point, it's even easier. It's easier to do slope because you don't have to count the lines. So, easier to do slope because counting lines is not needed. Example, if we have this dot, this one is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, then our rise is equal to y2 minus y1, and our run is equal to x2 minus x1, which gives us our equation that we're used to using of m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is the same as rise over run, or delta y over delta x. Continuing with slope, we started talking about parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines have the same slope. So, when graphed, they have AB, rise 1, run 2, then CD has a slope of rise 1, run 2. Same slope. Perpendicular, on the other hand, they have negative reciprocal slopes. That means if slope AB is 1/2, CD would be negative 2 over 1. Simple as that. Flip the slope and change the sign to get perpendicular lines. Okay? Now, we started using those properties for other things, and we'll get to that. But before that, how else do I know that the reciprocals are negative reciprocals? 1/2 times negative 2/1 equals negative 1.